What's going on YouTube? MMA here, and today I'm unboxing one of the new M1 MacBook Pros. This is actually the M1 Pro, which is the 14-inch MacBook right over here. So let's get this. This thing is heavy. It's a lot thicker than some of the older models, so because they actually care about battery life this time. And interestingly enough, the base model has the best battery life just because the better models with higher CPU and GPU options actually use so much power that they have worse battery life, which is a very strange compromise. You pay more to get less battery, but more processing power and GPU, of course. Here we go. And this is the M1 MacBook Pro. M1 Pro 14 inch. I mean, this is the laptop, some of the accessories, and this is the new power brick, 97 watts, I believe. Little fast charge, something like 50% in 30 minutes. This is the new MagSafe charger, and things. Black Apple stickers, pretty sick. So let's look at the actual real thing. Here we go. This is more of a paper wrap around it. Not much of a sound there, but that's okay. We'll take this thing out. This is the space gray model. It's very square. That's kind of the design they were going for. More like the new iPhones, iPhone 12 and iPhone 13. On the back, you can see it says MacBook Pro. These feet are also more flat compared to previous generations. Looks pretty nice. There's some air vents, I believe, on the sides here. And for the ports, there is MagSafe, there is two USB-C, a headphone jack on the other side. There is HDMI, USB-C, and SD card. And you can just open this thing. First time. Wow. Keyboard lights up. You can see no touch bar, but there is a fingerprint reader right here. The screen looks way nicer, way bigger. And I don't even see the notch right now, which is really interesting. They just made it so you don't see the notch. Let's go with the language, English. Here we go. Oh, I just saw the notch there. It's interesting. Go. Home accessibility. Select me Wi-Fi. The keyboard has a black back behind it, which is a pretty interesting design. I think it looks pretty nice. The trackpad comes to the edges over here, which is pretty nice. This speaker grills take up, like, it looks like they actually utilized their space much more efficiently in this new MacBook. Have to set up Migration Assistant for my old MacBook, but you can see the screen is pretty nice. The bezels are very, very thin. Overall, the build quality of this thing looks pretty solid. Looks really nice. I like the design. Now it actually fits with the rest of the iPhone 12, iPhone 13, and the newer iPads. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I'll try to be doing a review and a comparison with the M1 MacBook Air. So this is the M1 Pro base model, 14-inch, but I upgraded the RAM and I got the 97-watt adapter. I believe that's the best configuration in terms of value to price. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll be doing some more videos on this. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in a later video. Peace.